Welcome to our class on how to outline a script. Film robots. Outlining is crucial for organizing your thoughts and ensuring a smooth narrative flow. Let's get started. Step 1. Brainstorming ideas. Before outlining, brainstorm your story ideas. Think about characters, setting, and the main conflict. Example exercise. Spend 10 minutes writing down as many ideas as you can. Don't worry about organizing them yet. Just get your thoughts on paper. Step 2. Developing a logline. A logline is a one-sentence summary of your story. It captures the essence of your plot. Example. In The Wizard of Oz, the logline could be, a young girl is transported to a magical land and must embark on a journey to meet a powerful wizard who can help her return home. Step 3. Creating a synopsis. Expand your logline into a short synopsis. This should cover the main plot points and the overall arc of your narrative. Step 4. Breaking down acts. Most scripts follow a 3-act structure: setup, confrontation, and resolution. This helps organize main events and pacing. Congratulations! You've completed your script outline. This roadmap will guide you through the scriptwriting process. Remember, outlining is dynamic. Don't be afraid to make changes. Happy writing!